Okay, next step, how to register or change your master pin. Okay, press the random number and then enter your master pin. Just now you reset, the master pin will be reset to 1, 2, 3, 4. Press the random number. So press 1, 2, 3, 4, your master pin, and then press star to open. Okay, right now we need to do a master registration or change your master registration. So first step, you need to press register button at once. Okay, and then key in your current master pin. So your current master pin is 1, 2, 3, 4 star. Okay, so you need to do or you need to key in your new master pin. Example 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 4 times. Press star. So your new master pin will be 1, 1, 1, 1. Example. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 1 star.